Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today, I'm going to be giving you guys some tips on how to be more productive. Let's get on to the video. Okay, so the first tip I have is to put your phone away. If you have your phone, it is going to be constantly a distraction, making you less productive. The next thing is to write like a goals for today list. People, it's really helpful to write one of these down so you can have a sense of accomplishment and you aren't just like walking around aimlessly wondering what to do to be productive. So that is really helpful. Be on a schedule. I like this one more than a goals list just because it's like a goals list except you're have a certain amount of time. It's more restricted, I guess, and I like that better. It just makes me think like more productive, less lazy, I guess. I don't know. It just really depends on what you like. If you want to write a to-do list or goals list, or be on a schedule. The next thing I have is to wake up early. This honestly kind of depends if you're a night owl or a morning person or whatever. So I used to be like a night owl, then I'm kind of transitioning over to being a morning person because I can get so much more done in the morning. I just feel like I'm just recharged since I'm just up. But I just feel like so recharged and I can just do whatever I need to do in the day. So yeah, wake up early, and I feel like if you don't get a productive start in the morning, you're not going to be productive that day. So please try to get a productive start in the morning. The next thing I have is to listen to music. Listening to music like pumps you up for the day and just gets you so productive and so inspired to just do all of these productive things for the day. And it really helps. Like I've tried it. I just like wake up, put some earbuds in, start my playlist, and just kind of like gets me going and gets me being more productive. So that helps so much. You need to be in a clean space because if your space is all messy, you just feel like unorganized, and if you're unorganized, it makes you feel unproductive, and if you're unproductive, it makes you feel lazy. So I feel like working in a clean environment it gives you like that productive spirit. But whatever. Yeah, just like clean your room or clean your workspace, your desk, or whatever you're working on if you want to be more productive. Also, this next one is be alone. I know it's like super fun to have your family, your friends around, but if you want to be productive, I say be alone. Unless it's like a group project, then most definitely be with a friend or a sibling or parents or whatever. But if you're trying to do it alone, be alone. Just try to like not have people coming in and out of your area, because that's a really big distraction. Like your phone, your phone, stuff like that. You just don't really want to have it around. When you're being productive, just try to be alone. And my last thing is don't make yourself too comfy. Because like if don't sit in your bed, maybe sit on the couch, but don't like get like blankets and stuff on you, because if you want to be comfy, then you're like comfy, and then comfy is like lazy, and lazy is not productive. So don't make yourself too comfy. You don't want to be like very uncomfortable, like you don't want to like sitting on rocks or something like that over again, but don't like be sitting on feathers here. Just find the median in those. So yeah, also that is all I had for today. If you guys have any other tips that you use, please put them in the comments down below. Help other people out, and so they can be more productive and use your tips, and I will use your tips too, because I am sometimes productive, sometimes not so productive, but if I use these tips, I'm definitely productive. Also, if you enjoyed this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up. It really helps. Subscribe and leave likes, stuff like that. Yeah, speaking of subscribing, if you're not already, please do that if you enjoy my channel, and turn on post notifications so you can get notified every time I post a new video. Well, I to post videos then. It's so hard to make videos and edit them and stuff like that. So I'm not perfect, obviously, and I might like throw a surprise video out there for you. So all the more reason to have notifications on so you can be the first to check it out. Also, share this video with your friends who are trying to be more productive, and I just really hope you guys enjoyed, and I guess I will see you guys in my next video. Bye! Ooh.